I'm personal injury attorney Neil Shouse. I'm often asked, if I get bitten or scratched by somebody's cat, can I file a lawsuit? The answer is oftentimes yes, as I will explain. First of all, cat bites are very serious matters. About 50% of people who suffer a cat bite will get an infection, a much higher rate than for dog bites. Cats have sharp teeth that cause deep puncture wounds. Their mouths harbor a high concentration of bacteria that gets injected deep into the person's skin. In fact, studies show that about 1 in 3 cat bite victims will actually need to be hospitalized. And we all know that cats have sharp claws. Bacteria resides on the surface of a cat's claws, and this too gets injected into the skin when a cat scratches. Cat scratches can transmit bacteria, diseases, and cause serious injuries. Children, the elderly, and people with compromised immune systems are especially at risk. Now the big question, is a cat owner, or possibly their homeowner's insurance, liable when his or her cat bites or scratches someone? The answer is yes, if the cat owner knew of the cat's aggressive tendencies but failed to warn the victim. If you got attacked and injured by somebody's cat, we invite you to call us here at Shouse Law Group. We can help you to get compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and sometimes even punitive damages.